Welcome Design Addicts. We're back at the STARHOUSE and we have high hopes for this place. Look how we raised the ceiling. Last time you didn't even see this new roof line, or if you take notice, the new windows. And we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 feet by 7 feet windows. We are going to become stargazers at the STARHOUSE. So as we go inside, you can see that the windows look the same as these sliding doors, and that's because we got a whole new package with Pella. It includes 3 gorgeous sliding doors and beautiful windows for the whole house. Not sponsored. Now that we're inside, you can see how much room we've created. It is a large foyer, lots of light. Take a look out, take a look out. I even have enough room to do a cartwheel. Do you remember what this looked like with the old windows? And then what it looked like boarded up? And now we have these gorgeous windows. However, I am gonna stain this wood. We're gonna trim it and have like a wood color instead of a paint, and bring the indoors out and the outdoors in. We have a new subfloor now. We had to raise this floor up to be even with each hallway. Before it was a step up to get to each section of the house. And now we are just level. That's how I get my smooth cartwheels. So we have our Jack and Jill in Jack's room. We're laying out some tile, what it's gonna look like on the shower tub. Come peek because the tub got set in and it's gonna be a really fun tub. I found this Ripple Bluebird fluted ceramic bathtub. How fun is that? And then the tile you can check out is going to be a gray bricklay pattern. White square tile is going on the backsplash here. In each of our bathrooms under the tile, we have to lay a vapor barrier guard. I'll show you in bath number 3 what that looks like because it doesn't have any tile in it yet. Here's the master bathroom coming in. Construction dust. Here's the master bathroom underway with some beautiful marble tile. Construction dust. Come take a look. This is the tile we will be laying on the shower floor, and this is the tile that will go on the shower wall. Et voila. Putting new windows throughout the house is just such a gem. Look at this. Look at the height that it gives. We can see full trees. I can almost touch it. Last video we were debating on tile color, burgundy or green. It looks like we decided on green. We're going to carry that green tile over to the backsplash of the wet bar. Outside we've made some improvements. The fireplace is done. It still has to be painted. We added a grill area and a place to store firewood because this is going to be a wood burning little fireplace out here. Stumps for your lunch break or for your s'mores. Oh, and landscaping we added. This house is so perfect because it's just covered with nature. Mini apple tree. Get ready for the next video because you will see that the roof will be brand new, and we may at that point have the 5 new windows in the front of the foyer and all new landscaping in the atrium. Stay tuned. Bye Design Addicts, stay tuned because next time even bigger changes. Stay tuned. Bye Design Addicts. No. Stay tuned. No. Bye Design Addicts.